The ancient chestnut, a harvest that marks the changing seasons, a tradition evolving with time.
Once the burrs split, the race against time begins to collect nature's bounty.
In modern agriculture, technology steps in, transforming tedious labor into mechanical efficiency. The machine's design is precise, separating the valuable nut from the debris of the forest floor. Millions of chestnuts are gathered, commencing their journey from the orchard floor to the factory. The yield is massive, a testament to the scale and productivity of mechanical harvesting. Under the setting sun, the first phase is complete. The valuable cargo is en route. Destination, the heart of the operation, where raw harvest meets advanced processing technology. Sheer volume demands speed. The first step inside the factory is efficient intake. Initial quality control, separating the good from the unwanted debris picked up in the field. Advanced pneumatic systems ensure only the viable, heavy chestnuts proceed to the next stage. Thorough cleaning is paramount, preparing the chestnuts for consumption and processing. Washed and polished, the chestnuts now reveal their perfect, untouched exterior. Precision sorting. High-speed cameras scan every nut for size, color, and microscopic defects. Any nut failing the stringent quality check is instantly removed, ensuring a premium final product. Controlling moisture content is vital for preservation and subsequent processing, beginning the drying phase. This slow, controlled process is essential for enhancing their natural sweetness and extending shelf life. To access the prize within, the hard outer shell must be efficiently and precisely removed.
Finished product of this stage: immaculate, whole chestnut kernels, ready for transformation.
Even with advanced machinery, human expertise provides the final, crucial seal of approval. From here, the chestnuts diverge into various value-added product lines. The first major transformation: the nuts destined for the creation of fine chestnut flour.
A precise reduction process breaks down the complex structure, releasing the rich, natural essence.
Final product: a delicate, naturally gluten-free flour, valued by bakers worldwide.
For consumers, a portion of the harvest is preserved in its whole, natural state.
Vacuum sealing locks in freshness, guaranteeing flavor and quality for months to come. Labeled, packaged, and preserved, ready for distribution across the globe. The deepest level of preservation, flash freezing locks the chestnut's integrity at its peak. Instantly frozen, they maintain their structural and nutritional value until thawed for culinary use. From the earth of the orchard, millions of chestnuts have been transformed into a global commodity. But the work never truly stops. The harvest continues, day after productive day. Each pass is optimized for maximum collection with minimal disturbance to the orchard. Volume and speed are the key metrics, a constant flow of harvest to the processor. The outer defenses must be neutralized. The de-burring machine is crucial for efficiency. Waste management is automated, ensuring a clean process flow and quick disposal. A second, vigorous cleaning stage ensures every last particle of soil is removed. Water expulsion. Surface moisture is rapidly removed before the controlled drying chambers. Continuous monitoring ensures the chestnuts meet the exact specification for moisture content.
The entire process is managed by sophisticated software, allowing for minute-by-minute adjustments.
Harnessing the power of steam, the rapid pressure change separates the shell effortlessly.
Instantaneous cooling is required to stop any further cooking and preserve the core texture.
Even with advanced systems, manual guidance ensures a perfect feed into the final sorting line.
Size classification, grading by physical dimension, ensures consistency for different product specifications. Each size is destined for a specific market, from high-end confectionery to bulk flour production. The premium-grade nuts are prepared for immediate fresh market distribution. A hermetic seal ensures ultimate freshness, maintaining the natural flavor and texture.
Robotics streamline the final packaging process, minimizing manual labor and increasing speed. The flour packaging connects the final product back to its pure agricultural origin.
Movement within the factory is a ballet of efficiency, ensuring zero bottlenecks in the flow. Deep freeze storage, preserving millions of kilograms of harvest for off-season market supply.
Working in extreme cold is required, though automation minimizes the human presence. Lab analysis confirms the ultra-fine grind and purity of the resulting flour product.
The ultimate quality test, proving the flour's superior baking performance in real-world application.
A delicate aroma and perfect rise, the final confirmation of the flour's exceptional quality.
Packaging integrity testing, a non-negotiable step for long-term freshness and market safety.
Every batch is meticulously logged, maintaining traceability from orchard to shelf.
Final inspection in the field, ensuring the mechanical harvest has been comprehensive and clean.
Even with the best technology, the human element remains a part of the quality assurance.
The cycle concludes for now, a successful season preparing the trees for the coming year.
Factory hygiene is paramount. A clean break between batches ensures zero contamination.
The largest, most prized nuts are separated for high-value specialty products, like Marrons Glacés. Controlled roasting begins, a delicate process to enhance the nut's natural caramelized flavor. The heat is carefully monitored, transforming the starches into sweet, complex sugars.
Rapid cooling locks in the roasts' perfect flavor and halts the cooking process.
The most delicate stage, removing the bitter inner skin without damaging the soft, roasted nut.
A flawless result. The roasted nut is now ready for high-end confectionery applications.
And smallest nuts find their purpose in the creation of smooth, rich chestnut puree and paste.
Intense shearing action breaks down the solid nut, creating a perfectly smooth, uniform texture.
The resulting paste is a versatile, high-demand base for desserts and gourmet cooking.
And a final touch of quality control before packaging, ensuring consistency in every portion.
Gourmet packaging. The puree is sealed into elegant jars for the specialty market.
Vacuum sealed for maximum preservation, the jars are ready for the market.
Clear, comprehensive labeling provides consumers with all necessary product details.
The full spectrum of the chestnut's potential, derived from a single, abundant harvest.
Traceability is critical.
Each package is marked with a unique code for batch tracking.
Specialized packaging ensures the deep freeze condition is maintained during transit.
Securing the cargo. A tight plastic wrap provides stability and protection for the long journey. Outbound logistics. The finished products prepare for worldwide distribution. The cold chain is maintained from the moment of freezing until final delivery.
A quick transfer is crucial to prevent any fluctuation in the product's stable temperature.
Sealed and secured, the journey for millions of chestnuts begins.
Bound for ports, stores, and kitchens, the harvest is now a global product.
From the field to the kitchen, the flour is ready for its purpose, baking perfection.
Its unique properties lend themselves to a variety of delicious, gluten-free creations.
Final product, a rustic, nutritious, and delicately flavored chestnut loaf.
In the hands of a master, the paste becomes the star of sophisticated gourmet desserts.
The roasted, large chestnuts find their highest expression as the globally renowned Marron Glacé.
Simple, health, and ready to eat, the whole chestnuts maintain their nutritional value.
A vast landscape, managed by powerful technology, yielding a bountiful, essential harvest.
The chestnut, from orchard floor to global product, a testament to efficiency and quality.
The blueprint of a successful harvest is visible from above, a grid of productivity.
A key consideration: the machinery must be designed to protect the delicate soil and root systems.
Air separation, a low-impact method for initial, non-destructive cleaning.
Multiple parallel lines process the daily harvest, ensuring no slowdown in the workflow. Sustainable practices. The water used for washing is continuously filtered and reused.
Chemical monitoring ensures the cleaning process is effective while maintaining environmental standards.
Final moisture extraction is critical, preparing the nuts for long-term, stable storage. Engineered for durability and safety, the pressure vessel handles the intense forces of steam treatment.
Non-chemical sterilization using UV light ensures an absolute level of food safety and hygiene. Human judgment is the backup, a final, crucial layer of quality control and attention to detail.
A flexible operation. Different grades are continually diverted to their optimal product line.
IQF preparation, ensuring each nut freezes separately, preventing clumping. Most advanced method, individual quick freezing preserves cellular structure and peak freshness.
The final frozen state, perfectly whole, free-flowing, and ready for measured use.
User-friendly packaging for the modern consumer, ensuring easy storage and access.
A fine, consistent grain is required. Sieve analysis ensures zero variation in the milling quality.
Bulk storage, a stable environment for the flour before it meets its final consumer packaging.
Bulk packaging for industrial clients and large-scale bakeries worldwide.
A robust, stitched seal is mandatory for transport and long-term storage of the bulk product.
Constant, gentle agitation ensures the paste remains perfectly smooth and homogeneous.
Ultrafiltration, a final step to guarantee a silky smooth, premium product texture.
Thermal sterilization provides a safe, ambient stable product for global shipping.
Visual confirmation. The perfect vacuum seal is a guarantee of quality and freshness. The artistry of confectionery. The high-grade roasted nuts are slowly introduced to the sweet sugar bath.
The critical stage of candying requires continuous, precise temperature control for a perfect glaze.
Delicate handling. The fragile, candied nuts are carefully arrayed for their final curing stage.
The ultimate value-added product. A masterpiece of flavor, texture, and confectionery art. Presentation is key. Each candied chestnut receives its elegant, protective gold wrapping.
Luxury packaging for a luxury product, appealing to the high-end gourmet market.
A complex logistics chain ensures the entire spectrum of chestnut products reaches its destination.
The day's work concludes under the silent watch of the night sky.
A moment of stillness before the next day's cycle begins.
Real-time data confirms a record day for chestnut processing, a triumph of efficiency.
Sanitation is continuous, preparing the machinery for the next millions of incoming nuts.
Preventative maintenance is the bedrock of the entire operation's reliable, high throughput. Even a microscopic speck of dust can compromise quality. Calibration must be flawless.
Food safety protocols demand a complete and total sanitization of all food contact surfaces.
Long-term storage of the raw harvest, maintained under ideal, controlled climate conditions.
Understanding the chestnut structure is key to efficient, clean processing. The precision engineering required to remove the inner skin without damaging the kernel. Standardization is achieved through accurate and consistent grading equipment.
The consumer must receive the correct weight. Scales are calibrated daily for perfect accuracy.
The most delicate process requires an absolutely pristine environment and specialized equipment. Zero cross-contamination. Removing any residual powder before the next run. Local distribution and the high-value specialty products are handled with extra care.
Mechanical efficiency translates directly into massive labor and cost savings for the farmer. Higher collection rates ensure a maximum return on the land's potential. Under the relentless summer sun, the massive scale operation continues without pause.
Worker safety is prioritized, using the best equipment to mitigate the loud, dynamic environment.
The entire process relies on a stable, high-capacity electrical system, meticulously managed.
Temperature checks confirm the process is maintaining the ideal conditions for product quality.
Zero waste policy. Even substandard nuts are channeled for secondary, industrial value-add products. Precision maintenance of every moving part is essential to prevent costly machine downtime.
High-speed, accurate volumetric weighing ensures every package is filled to the exact specification.
Post-shift deep cleaning, a commitment to the highest level of food production sanitation.
The puree's versatility extends to non-dairy alternatives, a growing market demand.
A dedicated line for certified organic chestnuts, meeting the growing consumer demand for natural products.
Genetic verification ensures the high quality and preferred taste profiles of the specific chestnut cultivar.
A final, non-negotiable safety check. The metal detector guarantees a pure, foreign object-free product. A unified harvest, diverse in its final form,
ready to feed the world's desire for quality chestnuts. Before dawn breaks, the industrial rhythm of the harvest prepares to resume its pace. The yield is continuous, demanding a machine capable of managing the mix of ripeness.
The harvester's powerful vacuum handles even the tougher, closed burrs for later internal separation. A dedicated process ensures that no potential yield is left trapped inside the shell.
The cycle repeats with relentless efficiency, loading tons of nuts every hour.
Dust control, an important step for air quality and machine maintenance inside the factory.
Invisible safeguard. A high-power magnetic field extracts any metallic contamination.
This final defense ensures absolute product purity before shelling and processing begins.
Pre-shelling inspection. Only perfectly intact nuts are passed through to the high-pressure system, a value-added stream for all products, ensuring total utilization of the harvest yield.
Flawless operation requires the pressure to be maintained within a tight, critical tolerance.
Rapid stabilization. Instant cooling prevents any breakdown of the nut's delicate texture. Internal flaw detection. Sophisticated technology probes for hidden voids or insect damage. Only the perfect kernel proceeds. Precision ejection guarantees ultimate product quality. Value-added cuts. Preparing specific batches for market demands, like half-cut chestnut pieces. A perfect cut exposes the inner core, ready for use in stuffing or baking.
Preservation through sublimation, removing all moisture for an ultra-light, stable product.
The freeze-dried product retains 100% of its nutrients and shape while eliminating weight.
Moisture-free packaging ensures the product remains stable for years, ready for instant rehydration.
The constant demand for chestnut flour drives a significant portion of the daily production.
Pre-grinding prepares the nuts, allowing the final mill to achieve a finer, more consistent powder. Temperature control is critical during the final grind to prevent oil extraction and maintain flour quality. The perfect result: a light, highly sought-after flour, consistent in every single grain.
Aeration guarantees a perfect density for baking, a final step in flour consistency.
Precise volumetric filling and settling ensures a consistent, market-ready package weight.
The final seal locks in the freshness, protecting the delicate flavor and texture of the flour.
Temperature reduction is managed prior to jarring, preventing steam buildup and ensuring seal integrity.
Every degree is precisely controlled, ensuring the paste's consistency and quality is maintained.
No spillage, no mess. Laser precision guarantees a perfectly clean and full jar every time.
External sanitation, ensuring the final package is as clean as the product within.
Added protection. A final clear wrap seals the box and prevents any damage during transport.
Dedicated logistics for the luxury line, ensuring gentle handling and secure storage.
The magic of freeze drying. Instant rehydration, returning the nuts to their original, fresh texture.
Perfectly rehydrated and ready for any culinary application, maintaining structural integrity.
The global reach of the chestnut. A worldwide network ensures delivery to all major markets.
The long-haul transport concludes its first leg at a major international shipping hub.
From the field to the sea, maintaining the cold chain across continents.
The refrigerated hold ensures the frozen product's integrity throughout the ocean voyage. Final destination, the culmination of the entire process, ready for the consumer.
The choice is clear: premium quality, traceable, and sustainably harvested chestnut products.
Specialized, smaller machinery is deployed to ensure full collection, even on difficult slopes.
Gentle handling is maintained even in the pre-collection stage for superior quality.
In challenging areas, a minor manual step complements the overall mechanical efficiency.
Energy efficiency is a continuous goal, optimizing power usage for a reduced environmental footprint.
Non-nut waste is compressed for use as biomass fuel or high-grade organic fertilizer.
Closing the loop, the byproduct of the harvest becomes a valuable resource for sustainability. Water purification technology allows for near-total recycling of the water used in the cleaning phase. Friction polishing, a gentle, non-abrasive method for a perfectly clean final kernel.
Flour quality. A final moisture check confirms the perfect dryness for optimal shelf stability.
Automated density control ensures consistent packing and maximum shipping efficiency.
The foundation of the candy, a precisely measured, highly concentrated sugar solution.
A slow, deliberate rotation ensures every surface is completely and evenly saturated by the sugar. Curing begins. Controlled cooling initiates the crystallization that creates the final translucent glaze.
The mark of perfection, the delicate, crystalline glaze that defines the Marron Glacé.
Double check for accuracy, ensuring the consumer receives the exact promised portion weight.
International logistics. Packaging is tailored to meet the specific labeling requirements of global markets.
High-speed automation handles the rapid packaging of the deep freeze product line.
A final protective layer, ensuring the box maintains its integrity in the challenging cold chain environment.
Bulk product logistics, maximizing efficiency and minimizing costs through rail transport.
Security is paramount. A unique seal number ensures the cargo remains untouched until its destination.
Looking to the future, caring for the next generation of the profitable chestnut orchard.
Sustainability is secured through continuous investment in new, high-yield cultivars.
And the land is the foundation. Soil health is the priority for a sustained, abundant yield. Unstoppable momentum. The bounty travels across continents, connecting the farm to the world.
The final product at its fullest, the ultra-fine flour enables the creation of premium patisserie.
A delicate touch is required, utilizing the unique structural qualities of the chestnut flour.
The final taste, a perfect fusion of traditional baking and modern chestnut quality.
Perfectly smooth and ready to use, the rich paste is a versatile culinary ingredient.
Simple, delicious, and nutritious. A gourmet addition to any breakfast or snack.
Ready for savory applications, the IQF nuts require no pre-preparation or thawing.
A quick, high-heat application crisps the exterior while keeping the center soft and flavorful. From sweet to savory, the chestnut is a versatile, year-round ingredient.
High-end packaging befitting a true gourmet artisanal confection.
Traceability and heritage. The consumer is informed of the specific quality and origin of the nuts.
Terrestrial journey concluded. The bulk cargo is prepped for regional distribution. transfer to regional centers, the final, critical step in the cold chain logistics.
The end of the line. A final delivery to the neighborhood grocer.
From the field to the final shelf, a journey measured by millions of meticulous steps.
The final consumer transaction, the culmination of the entire season's hard work.
End of a successful cycle marks the beginning of the next, a continuous commitment to the chestnut's bounty.
The sheer scale is immense. Millions of individual nuts tracked and accounted for.
Post-harvest care, ensuring the land is immediately tended to for optimal health in the off-season.
Scientific agriculture. Constant testing guides the land management for sustainable yields.
Density sorting, a final method to separate potential low-quality or immature nuts from the prime batch. Densest nuts, confirmed to be the highest quality, are reserved for the premium roasted products.
Engineered for consistency, the constant, gentle tumbling prevents any single nut from burning.
A flawless peel. The gentle mechanical action achieves a perfect, commercial-grade result.
A simple, delicious snack, leveraging the high-quality roast for direct consumer enjoyment.
Precision seasoning. A light touch of salt enhances the natural roasted flavor profile.
Maximizing market penetration. An impulse purchase product for high visibility.
Heavy lifting. Robotic assistance ensures perfect palletization with zero risk of human injury.
Maximum stability. The wrapping is applied under high tension for safe, long-distance transport.
Interim storage, a climate-controlled waiting area before the next logistics phase.
Precision formulation. The sugar content is verified for a consistent, balanced flavor profile.
Oxygen barrier. An inert gas blanket protects the delicate flavor and color before jarring. Controlled cool down, ensuring the thermal process is complete and the product remains stable. Final visual inspection. An automated system verifies perfect filling and sealing on every jar. Unwavering quality. Only perfectly presented products proceed to final packaging. Secure transit packaging, ensuring the delicate glass jars arrive at their destination intact.
Regional delivery optimization. Smaller pallets are created for easy handling by local delivery teams.
Winding down the day, the final actions to ensure the orchard is clean and secure for the night.
Protecting the investment, securing the site until the first light of the new day.
Off-duty maintenance. Critical checks prevent failures and ensure peak performance when needed.
Fluid integrity is vital for the smooth, high-power operation of the collection mechanism.
Systemic shutdown, ensuring all machinery is safely powered down for the overnight hours.
The industrial giant rests, pristine and prepared for the next wave of the harvest.
A simple bag holds the promise of the year's labor and technological mastery.
Preserved in a state of suspended perfection, ready for year-round culinary use.
The heart of the operation, quiet for now, but its impact stretches across the globe.
The daily cycle begins anew. Speed and coordination are essential for continuous flow.
Man and machine, the skilled operator orchestrates the massive harvesting mechanism.
The harvest is on.
A relentless, powerful process to collect the day's yield.
No delay. The moment one batch is cleared, the next delivery is already arriving.
A dedicated process ensures rapid and non-destructive removal of the protective outer shell.
Final debris clearance, ensuring the product is perfectly clean before washing.
A multi-jet system ensures no surface is left untouched, achieving maximum sanitation.
Continuous, non-chemical sterilization provides an added layer of food safety for the entire batch. Locking the product in for the high-pressure, transformative steam treatment.
Time is crucial. A matter of seconds separates a perfect peel from a damaged kernel.
Chilled and whole, the entire batch proceeds to the final, automated quality inspection.
High-speed precision. Millions of data points are processed every minute to isolate imperfections.
Batch standardization. A consistent grading process ensures the right nut goes to the right product line.
Optimizing the yield. Each grade is immediately channeled for its highest value application. Guaranteeing purity, and the final filter ensures an ultra-fine, clump-free, and clean final product. A final manual check before sealing secures the consistency of the final bulk package.
Precision packaging. The durable, airtight pouches are continuously formed on-site.
A freshness guarantee. Inert gas flushing prevents oxidation and preserves the roasted flavor.
Retail efficiency. Creating high-volume multi-packs for fast-moving consumer markets.
Artisan quality requires scientific precision, ensuring the final glaze is perfectly thin and consistent.
The human touch, ensuring the delicate final product meets the highest visual standard.
Precious product, precise accounting, ensuring every box contains the exact, guaranteed weight.
Even the packaging is automated, ensuring rapid assembly and structural consistency.
Optimized for luxury. A dry, stable environment protects the delicate candied glaze.
Global Command Center. Every shipment is tracked in real time until final delivery is confirmed.
The final meters of the long journey, ensuring on-time and safe delivery. Security confirmed. The seal's integrity verifies the entire bulk shipment is safe and untouched. From the factory to the regional hub, maintaining the optimal storage environment for the bulk product.
Third-party verification. Independent quality checks confirm the product meets all client specifications.
Fresh for the morning bake. Quick turnover for the perishable, high-demand fresh product.
Essence of fresh. The whole chestnuts are immediately utilized for maximum flavor impact.
The final culinary expression, showcasing the versatility and quality of the premium chestnut harvest.
Bringing the luxury experience to the consumer, a small indulgence with a global journey.
Thank you.
Performance verification, ensuring the stability and usability of the long-life product.
A triumph of preservation science, a fresh-like texture achieved through advanced technology.
From the sun-drenched soil, a diverse range of products is born, thanks to a mastery of process. Efficiency, precision, and volume. The three pillars of the million chestnut operation. Dedicated to quality, powered by technology, and committed to a sustainable future. A powerful symphony of agriculture and industry, transforming a humble nut into a global resource.
The journey concludes, but the chestnut story,
A story of abundance and excellence continues.